You see, one of the major reasons why you find difficult to grow your small account is simply because you haven't built a system that will generate you money if you lose that small account. Now, building a system is simply creating something else that's going to give you money before you trade forex. I always tell my mentees that one of the most important things you have to do, first of all, do first before going to forex is to build a system that is going to generate you money. Forex is not a place to make money. It's a place to multiply the money you have. Now, the system is a place you make money. You make money from this system and then put it in a trading system that's going to multiply that money. So understanding the importance of building a system outside forex that generates you money for you to be able to multiply your money in forex trading is far more important. Now, if you observe, most of those traders that are able to grow or flip their small accounts into massive amount of money, they actually have a system that generates them money that is not a small account. Now, what this does is that it gives you more of a very strong confidence and more of a strong psychology check when you're trading. Now, you're trading with less carefulness, even if you're being careful, but then your emotions are not really attached to that particular small account just because they have a system that generates or makes them money already. If you're able to have a very good system that gives you little money at all, and able to harness your skills very well, you can do mighty things in forex trading. And one of the mighty things is that you can flip your account because you have a system already that's going to back you up while trading. Now, system alone is not the reason why those gurus are able to flip their accounts. The next point you have to understand is time. Bro, no matter how good you are, no matter how skillful you are, there's a point in your life or there's a point in this journey that everything is right, everything is correct, everything, the skills are good, everything is superb, but you're not getting that result that you want. Give it time. Give it time. A 1 year old baby and a 7 year old baby are both babies, but they cannot do the same thing. Give it time. Those gurus who are flipping accounts have time advantage over you. You might probably be a year old or maybe 2 years old in this game, in this forex industry, and trying to see someone who's 7 years or maybe 8 years flipping an account and you think it's by luck. It's not luck. They have invested so much time in it. So for you to be able to do that, maybe grow account the way they're doing it, you need time. Give yourself time. Like my scenario I used earlier on, a 1 year old baby and a 7 year old baby are both babies, but they cannot do the same thing. Give yourself time, bro. Now, in as much as you need time, you also need the right information. You can be 7 years doing something in the wrong way or with the wrong information. You're definitely going to have the wrong results. Now, if you have the right information in your hand, you're going to do exploit in the sense that the information you have is going to trigger you and all that. One of the easiest ways to get information is trying to expose yourself with other traders. Exposure is very important, and one of the easiest ways now to expose yourself is to attend seminars or attend events like Forex Millionaire Expos, which is happening on the 13th of January 2024. Now, that event gives you a lot of exposure to people who are trading. Now, you get to see people who are bigger than you, and as well, you get to see people who you are bigger than. Now, you have to expose yourself to that kind of atmosphere to source for right information, build relationship and network with people who are actually going the same direction with you. So, in as much as you need time, you as well need the right information. Like I said, one of the easiest way to get that information is exposure, exposing yourself. Now, the next point you have to understand is that you need a lot of discipline. You need a lot of discipline. Now, discipline is not you doing what you know how to do or what you feel like doing. Discipline is doing what you have to do. This process is very tough. It requires a lot of discipline for you to stick to this process. For instance, what is discipline? Discipline is that if I post this video, whether I have one view or 2 views, I don't care. I'm still going to post the next video when it's time to post it. It's discipline. I've disciplined myself to do what I need to do, no matter how I feel. Most people who are successful actually believe in the scope of discipline. Discipline is very important. As easy as it sounds, you need to be very disciplined. You need to do what you need to do to get what you want to get. The next thing you need to understand is that you need help. See, bro, no matter how good you are, no matter how special, how gifted you are, you need help from other people to help you. This journey is not easy. Don't think you can do it alone. When I was in school then, my lecturer would always tell me, no man is an island. I'd be hiding to put it. I can't remember, but then you need people to help you. That result you're looking for, someone else have it. And the easiest way to get that result is to open yourself to the person who already have the result that you need and ask for help. Leave arrogance, leave pride, bring yourself there and humble yourself and tell the person, oh bro, I like what you're doing. Help me. Now, most times the reply is always, how will I put it? They'll ignore you or maybe nature sees you, bro. So long you're doing this genuinely with your heart, nature sees you and one day nature is going to reward you with the right person or the right help that you need. Just prepare yourself as I'm building the process. Put yourself or build yourself up in a way that once that help come, you will not misuse the opportunity. But if you want to succeed in this industry, you need help from people who are already in it in this industry. In as much as you need help, you also need to help yourself. That is the least you can do for yourself. Try and help yourself. Don't think that because you need help, you just relax and wait for your helper to come and help you. You also need to help yourself. And one of the ways you can help yourself is to improve yourself. Do things that's helping you grow, not doing things that's like shit, doing things that's not going to help you grow. If you invest your time doing something that's very stupid, it is going to definitely become very stupid for you. But if you invest much of your time doing things that's going to help you grow, you've choose the career of trading and you have to do things that's going to help you grow or build quality relationship in that trading career. Help yourself too. We all need help, but you help yourself. The last point is that you have to know that this thing is not easy, but you have to believe that it's easy. It only becomes hard if you give up. Don't quit. This process is very tough and only those who do not quit actually get rewarded. This will be the end of this video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.